New tonight, North Carolina's State Board of Election officially appealing today's court order to reprint ballots without Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s name on them. That appeal was filed with the state Supreme Court just before 5 this evening. State board staff is also working to begin the process to reprint millions of ballots if their appeal is not successful. WCNC Charlotte's Austin Walker has been following the story since that ruling came down. Austin, what does this all mean?
Yeah, so this actually impacts a lot of different things. You, the voters, and political science experts say this could also impact our swing state even further.
Friday, after weeks of political whiplash, the North Carolina Court of Appeals ordering officials to not send out mail-in ballots for the upcoming November presidential election.
The general statute says that 60 days before the election, I have to start sending out ballots.
Mecklenburg County Board of Elections Director Michael Dickerson says they were supposed to go out today because of state law, and they were prepared.
The day before yesterday, when the order came out, we'd already gotten to about half.
Now, due to that ruling, more than 130,000 mail-in ballots are at halt, costing the state hundreds of thousands of dollars and could delay mail-in voting for weeks. Originally, Kennedy had to obtain thousands of signatures to get on the ballot, but polls began showing Kennedy actually was taking voters away from Trump than from Harris, so he dropped out and endorsed Trump. Kennedy has since tried to get his name off the ballot, but his new party failed to ask state officials to do that when many counties had already started printing. In the Tar Heel state, looking at polling averages put together by Real Clear Politics, it shows former President Trump with a minor lead ahead of Vice President Kamala Harris. But if RFK's name is taken off the November ballot for good, Dr. Michael Bitzer, a professor of politics and history at Catawba College, says the 2 to 3% of voters that would have gone to RFK will most likely cast their vote for the former President Trump. A deadline broken by the courts. Now the state is left in limbo.
Now we're going to wait, sort of pause.
Waiting for what's next.
So, Austin, the big question tonight, what does this mean for people who were expecting a mail-in ballot soon?
Yeah, so good question, Nick. So you might be wondering at home, what do I need to do if I did request a mail-in ballot? Will I still get one? Now, Dickerson says, yes, don't worry, it is delayed, not canceled. He assures you, you will get your mail-in ballot and you are good to go. So just sit tight as of right now. Nick?
Yeah, a tricky situation as the election approaches.
Exactly, just another thing.